All right. You know we had to do it. Retro MMO credits tier list. Retro MMO contributor tier list. Um, let's get it. MS Paint style, of course. It's going to be a little bit annoying because we're going to have duplicates in between some of the people in the different sections, but we're going to make it work. Alex, Hobie 2000 Durant. He's made some good PRs. I like him. He's got really good rants too. I don't know. Kind of just gets on my nerves. I'm gonna put him right in the C tier. Ben Pmard Roberts. I don't know what he even contributed. Also, he's just fucking insane. We're gonna go F tier. We're gonna go E tier. Blake Bays. Beautiful man. Beautiful PRs. S tier. Brandon Merck Doe. Although he has not contributed much, he is very physically attractive. S tier. Carlos Element Rodriguez. He's had some pretty good PRs too. He was one of the first devs to ever contribute. He's talked a lot of shit about my code though, so we're gonna have to put him in the D tier. Choose the Force. Very smart, very good PRs. Possesses a lot of money. Very rich person financially. It's gonna be the S tier. Chris Trashdev Batista. He's had a couple PRs. Nothing super crazy. He's really famous though, and also rich, so I'm gonna put him in the S tier. Christian Wright Joy-Con. He's had a couple actually really solid PRs. Not a lot, but some really good ones. And he's also kind of rich. I'm gonna put him up in like A tier. Kodako. So Kodako made our Discord rich presence, and he's famous, and he's physically attractive. That's gonna be S tier easily. Dane Harnett. I just really like this guy. We're just gonna put him in S tier. I don't even remember what PRs he did. Lumberchop Man. I think he contributed something small a long time ago. And I don't even remember what, and then he just disappeared out of nowhere. I think we're gonna put him next to Mr. Bin here. Michael Athano Webb, dude, this guy gets on my fucking nerves. He's had a lot of good PRs, but he's just really like, I mean, you know how this guy is. We're gonna go with, oh god. It's so tough. We're tossing you in the B, Athano. I'm sorry, man. Your jokes aren't that good. Samuel Knight 815 Bortle. This guy's had a couple really solid PRs. He also bought me a green screen. But he's also gone now. You never see him anymore. We're putting him next to Alex here in the C tier. Serenity Great Game Gal Braish. She's amazing, but she's gone. She's MIA, so I have to slap you in the C tier there. Jolt Yellowberry Zitting. So this guy says based a lot, like maybe every other word or sentence or so. So I really hate to say anything nice about him, and his PRs were kind of small. E tier. So Agrid is a tough one. Agrid's like really annoying. I don't like him very much, but he did make the theme for Dimitri. And maybe something else as well. Maybe a graphics. Well, yeah, he's in the graphics category too. He must have done something in graphics wise. We'll go ahead and put him in the B tier with Athano. Al. I fucking hate this guy, dude. I'm putting him in F tier. Alex B. Boy Jaynard Janer. So he came up with Tom Ormer. So that's an easy S tier. American Hamster. Never even met this guy. I just use his font. It's a damn good font. We'll put him in the A tier. Artificer, he made our logo. I hate everything about him and everything he's ever done, except for the fact that he made our logo. So again, really tough. We'll have to put him in the... Oh man, the logo's so good though. The logo's so good. He might get bumped up to A tier just for the logo. Yeah. Bandy. Oh god, she's made so many good player sprites. And she's so cool. A tier. Blake Bay is already in the S tier. Easy, 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 easy. Blossom Boop Desi. Desi Nuts. Lamau, S tier. Obviously, she's made so much graphics. Chinchino, he's had a couple really solid monsters. The mole and the eye stalk dude from the Halloween event. Easy B tier. Codeman 38. I don't even remember who this is. I used like another... Did he make the other font that I use in Prod that's not even in the new engine? It's just going to be a D tier. I don't think I even use this font in the new codebase. This guy, I use his icon for the mute button on the title screen. That's literally it. E tier. James Hero Man. I think he made like emotes or something, which were probably cool, but not that exciting. I mean, probably good emotes, but you know, just a couple emotes. You're not getting up to S tier. Oh, shit. We'll slap him in the D tier. James Anthony Munoz. I honestly have no idea who this is. We're going to put you right here in the D tier with the other James. Is this the same James? And he's in the credits. Who is this? Yuna. Fuck you, Yuna. F tier. Kyle Steven Game Crazy Shaft, the creator of the ability animations, all the battle ability animations, and he also used to work on nostalgia, and a lot of his art inspired some of Ryu's art. So I think that's a tier for that. Henrique Lazzarini. This is Seven Soul. This is the guy that we use a lot of his asset packs, which actually made up a really solid foundation for the game. So that's going to have to be an A tier. Henry Fanks Games Price. So he is actually making a different retro MMO that's kind of been putting me out of business a little bit. So that's going to have to be an F tier. As good as his work was on the title screen, as good as his work was on the battle backgrounds, just purely competition-wise, it's going to have to be an F tier. Mila Flirt Boyd, literally made retro MMO, S tier. Risey made one emote, but a damn good emote, the Froggen emote. A damn good emote. And is a cool person. So I think we're bumping you up to C tier. Just for that. Salaman. I love you, Salaman. S tier. SNWHD. I don't remember what he did graphics-wise. Was it an emote? It was probably an emote. He's a nice dude, though, so he's going to have to go into C tier. Bare minimum. Tab G. Suck on my balls. F tier. The Get It Guy. He makes so much good shit. That's an easy F tier. Yo, we're running out of... Or I said F tier. It's an easy S tier, not an F tier. Oh god, what are we gonna do about this? We're running out of space! Thimes. So this is Waro Duck. He made the duck emoji, the duck emote in game. And he also is kind of rich. He's giving me a lot of money. We're gonna have to give him in the B tier. He's a very wholesome guy. Trixie Leonard. This is what is her username? Katie Holt. She's done a lot of stuff, especially for the events. A lot of the stuff for like birthday event, mainly. Pretty damn solid. Pretty damn solid. Going in the A tier. Zach Robinson. I need a new tier for him. He's so good. Best graphics, man. Thank you, Zach. Zubashi, what did he make? What did he make? Oh, I remember the dinted helm icon started out as his. It's a solid icon. It's a classic. And Zubashi's a good dude. He's a good dude. He's a good dude. Put you in the B tier, Zubash. Blake Bays again, of course. Easy S tier. Man is in every category. Blossom, already in. All these people, all the mapping people are already in the credits for other stuff. And then Agrid's already... Oh my god, Medi... I have to redo this list, because really it's like... Really, it's honestly like Ryuza and Medi S tier, and then everybody else F tier, but... We'll just go ahead and do like... Make you a little big, Medi, just because we really like you. And there you have it. That is my rankings of my friends. One more thing before I go, I gotta give a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Covalence. Covalence is a full stack web development bootcamp, and it is actually the school that I attended. Covalence's goal is to bring you from zero programming experience to a career-ready software developer, and that is exactly what they've done for me. If you're interested in learning web development, I highly recommend that you check them out. Links in the description. So once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.